Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. The scalping bot is a Python program that I made. It's my first Python program with the goal to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq and to get some passive income while sleeping. And in a daily report, I show you guys the progress of the bot, the things that I do around the code, and how we're doing on the market. And lately, the market is very slow, so testing isn't, that wonderful. But let's see what we did today. And we start with the code, and especially the code screen, and I will bring this one up because the code isn't really there. We see numbers. We see a lot of numbers, and what I see is these large numbers: 121, 121, 116, 160, 100, and the percentage change is very low, lower than 1. 1 is the term we say we have a active market. And these changed numbers are much higher, but still not high enough. Well, let's take a look at the market for today, skipping the bot, because, you can look at the bot. Look at the bot, it's a nice bot. You see, it's white. It has a lot of numbers and that's no use. So we go to the market. And if we look at the market, you see this large red candle in 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. Let's take the 5 minutes. It's more fair. Let's go back to that moment. That's around here. You see that large candle had a lot of numbers going down, and then we went up, and the bot did not pick it up because the market was slow. And we see in the results of the numbers that we had very high, above 100 numbers, one after the other, 100 numbers, 172, 163. 188 I see right here. And yesterday we had slow numbers like 41, 31, 35, 25. So we're still testing, and we are in the testing environment. Let's see, we got 248 points difference. That's a large number. And it had almost. So I'm gonna change. I'm gonna kill the bot. I'm late. It's 12:30 right now. So I'm late. So I'm gonna kill the bot in a moment, and I'm gonna change this in the code and see how we do tomorrow about these things. I'm not sure what I'm gonna change in the code, so be back tomorrow. You can see what I changed in the code, and then let's experiment. Let's test if the numbers are better and if the bot actually gonna react on these higher and better numbers in the market. It's a slow market. You can see it's a slow market. If we look at the market at all, and we take the VIX, whoa, the VIX, we cannot even see. What? This is also 5 minutes. Oh, sorry. Okay, one day. we have a VIX that has a lot of wicks on both sides, so there is action, and the bot did not pick it up. So It's not a large candle, by the way. It looks large because it's zoomed in, but yeah. I'm gonna kill the bot. I know it's Friday. I can wait until the weekend, but has no use. We tested this now for 4 days, even longer. Last week we also tested this. So we tested it for 4 days this week, and there was no action on the market that we know. But when this happens, and we see these large changes in the numbers, then there should be some action from the bot. Maybe we don't make a profit. I don't care. That's fine tuning, but it needs to pick up these numbers. And doing this with, I don't know. I will look at it, what I'm gonna do. And so, be back tomorrow. For today, I'm curious what happened. Tesla went a bit down, but it's not that drastic to change. Nvidia went up, but it's still in its safe zone. Google went down even further beyond the. Is this of the day? Okay. Google and Intel. Yeah, it's today. It's a red candle, a blue candle, green candle. Meta came down today for the third time, a red candle. Okay, Apple, Amazon came down. Okay, so we have the combination of Amazon with Meta. Yeah, Amazon with Meta that triggered those large red candle in the Nasdaq. Microsoft not, and the US 500 also. So that explains why we had this large. If I go to the 1 hour, that's large. It looks large when I pump it up, but that explains why we had this larger red candle down, and we are slowly getting back up again. And those numbers, those slowly backing up numbers are, if we go down, those are the numbers below the 100, 87.80. Yeah, that's it. I gotta take a look, and I will report back to you guys tomorrow to show what I done and how the bot did. So, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.